many of us, creating an advertising video has always been a challenge because it usually requires time, a team, and professional tools. But now, tools are emerging that handle a large part of this process using artificial intelligence. One of the most interesting ones is a platform called AD Maker. This tool is designed so that just by entering a product link or a short description, it automatically combines text, images, and video to create an advertising output without the need for editing or any special experience. Its idea is simple: to help small brands create professional video ads like big brands, but with less time and lower costs. When you enter the website, one very interesting sentence catches your attention. From zero to viral, AI AD Maker that converts. In fact, the goal of this tool is to shorten the distance between idea and execution. Not to replace human creativity, but to help you reach results faster. Let's go over its features. At the top of the website, there are three main categories of tools. 1. Video ads. Here you can choose what you want to create. UGC ads, for user-generated content style ad. URL to video, to create an ad directly from a product link. Tools for creating ads that even include virtual AI avatars. 2. Image ads. If you want to create posters or static ads, here you have tools like AI Poster Generator, Banner Generator, and Image Ads Clone, which accurately recreate the style of famous brand ads. 3. Discover ads. And maybe the most interesting part is the ads library, a huge archive of ads from global brands. Here you can see hundreds of real ads from different companies, get inspiration from them, and even recreate those ads using your own product. Now let's move on to creating the first ad. From the top menu, click on Start Creating Ads. In this section, you just need to enter the product link. For example, a link to an app or an online store. For this test, I entered the link of one of the games on Google Play. Then the system automatically reads the product information: name, description, images, and even keywords. Now it's time to choose the images. You can either upload your own photos or let the tool select them for you. Next, you choose the video length, 15, 30, or 60 seconds. I'll pick 30 seconds. You can also select the language from the various options. For example, English, French, German, Hindi, Italian. That means if your product is global, in just a few seconds you can create ads in multiple languages. After that, it's time to select the script style. You can choose from different types such as humor and meme script or expert advice script. I chose the humorous and energetic style since it fits better for an entertainment product. Now all you have to do is click the Generate button. Before the final output, the tool shows you a preview comparison that lets you see the difference between the free and paid plans. The free plan includes a watermark and standard quality, but in the premium plan, the watermark is removed and the video is rendered in the highest possible quality. Something that used to take hours is now ready in less than a minute. AD Maker starts automatically producing the video, with effects, text, animation, and synchronized voiceover. After creation, your video is saved in the My Projects section. From there, you can download, edit, or even create new versions.
Block Blast Adventure Master is a relaxing and challenging block puzzle game. Players place different block shapes on a grid to clear full rows and columns. The game features offline play, smooth animations, combo effects, and multiple gameplay modes. It's suitable for all ages and perfect for casual gamers who enjoy strategic thinking and satisfying puzzle mechanics.
Interestingly, every project is automatically stored with similar ad models in the system, meaning the AI learns which styles perform best for your brand. AD Maker is not just a video creation tool, it's an intelligent advertising factory. For small brands, marketers, or even freelancers who want to save time and money, this tool is a real revolution. According to the website, using AD Maker reduces ad creation costs by up to 95% and increases click-through rate on campaigns by 40%. I was honestly amazed by this tool, especially the ads library, where you can get inspired by real brand ads and recreate that same professional feel with your own product. The experience of working with it is simple, fast, and intelligent. You no longer need to spend hours on every idea or pay high costs. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend going to admaker.ai right now, entering a simple link, and seeing its magic for yourself. Maybe the next viral ad for your brand will start right here. The tool link is placed in the video description. Be sure to try it out and share your experience in the comments. So don't forget to tell me in the comments what you've made with it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.